to J2EE Tutorials. In this tutorials we can see how to pass data from JSP to another JSP application. So here in this web application that is called JSP action demo, we have created with index and JSP file.jsp. In index.jsp I am going to give one form tag here. So form action equals to, this is supposed to be file.jsp, and method equals to post. And then over here what I need to do is enter the user name, and here input type equals to text, and name equals to user name, and then break. And after this enter the password. Here again input type equals to password and name equals to pass. And then after this one I can go for input type equals to submit, and value equals to submit. Alright, so this application means index.jsp will be having a form tag over here. Within that form tag I will be having a label, enter username, and I will be having a text control in which the text control name is supposed to be username, and so that username is name of the control, so that can be used to access the data that was given into this text control. And then enter password, so this input type is supposed to be password field, and the pass is the name which is used to access the data from the this control. So using the requested get parameter object from the servlet and also from the JSP application. So here the input type is submit. When submit is clicked, we will be forwarded to the file.jsp. In file.jsp what we need to do is we need to access those data, so which was given over here. Click on the file.jsp and just go for some modification. That is the JSP. I will go with the scriptlet. So JSP scriptlet. Within this JSP scriptlet I will go with one string variable, string. Before going to JSP scriptlet, so I'm going to go for JSP declaration. So we need variables over here. That's why I'm going to declare the variables. JSP declaration string username equals to empty, and string user password, I'm going for password equals to again empty. And after this I'll be having JSP scriptlet here. Here in this JSP scriptlet I'm going to use username equals to request.get parameter, that is supposed to be user name, and password equals to request.get parameter, supposed to be pass, and then I am going for JSP expression. JSP expression is again I'll close with the JSP expression over here, and here what I need to do is I'm going to strong tag, remove this and over here I'll go with this JSP expression is supposed to be username, and then here your password is JSP expression again, and this is supposed to be password. Put dot for here, that's it. So this is the text which was this is the index file.jsp which is appending the values which was coming from index.jsp, and then so here I will be having the JSP declaration, scriptlet and expression is well over here, and just run this application. So once the application is loaded, it will be provided with this interface. So I will put username and password and click on submit. So it will be hello. So AR, your password is supposed to be POOJA. So this is how the data will be transferred from one JSP to another JSP and JSP applications. So this is a complete example to show the data retrieved from one JSP to another JSP application using the JSP declaration, scriptlet, and as well as the expression. Thanks for watching this tutorial.